Hello everyone, and welcome to our August update on the construction progress of the Gordie Howe International Bridge. From the Canadian side, I'm your host, Bob Jones. The Gordie Howe Bridge is a 10-minute ride on the 401 West from my South Windsor neighborhood. This section of the 401 is newer infrastructure that runs below grade to reduce pollution and will terminate at the plaza facilities at the new Gordie Howe Bridge. The bridge is a symbol of the strong relationship between Canada and the United States, and we look forward to its completion. The project is providing benefits for the community, including community partnerships, economic benefits, community safety, aesthetics, and landscaping. The Gordie Howe International Bridge will facilitate the movement of people, goods, and services and ensure sufficient border crossing capacity to accommodate future growth in cross-border traffic. These monthly updates show the deck span between the Canadian-US sides growing closer together. It's been said, once completed, the two towers will reach about 722 feet. 220 meters, and will rival Detroit's tallest building, the 73-story Renaissance Center. The bridge will have a total of 216 stay cables, with 108 pairs connecting from each tower to the bridge and road deck. Towers and stay cables of the Gordie Howe International Bridge are designed to support nearly 34 million pounds of weight. The deck of a cable-stayed bridge works like a continuous beam on cable supports. The cables introduce additional compression forces throughout the deck, making it more flexible than bridges supported by piers. Plaza groundwork and building construction is also making good progress throughout the site. The bridge will provide uninterrupted freeway traffic flow, as opposed to the current configuration with the nearby Ambassador Bridge that connects the city streets to the Ontario side. The new route will save about 850,000 hours per year for trucks, translating into billions of dollars in savings over the years. The plaza is being constructed to include a custom and toll facility. This facility will be used to process vehicles and pedestrians crossing the bridge between Canada and the United States. The construction of the bridge is expected to create thousands of jobs, and operation of the bridge will require ongoing staffing. These YouTube videos offer valuable updates on the construction progress of the Gordie Howe Bridge. They provide insights into the ongoing work, infrastructure updates, and the impact on surrounding areas. The Gordie Howe International Bridge is scheduled to be completed in November 2024, but there have been delays in the project. It is unclear if the delays will affect the completion date. Thank you for joining us for this update on the Gordie Howe International Bridge. We will continue to keep you informed as the project moves forward. Please like and subscribe. I thank you in advance. It really does help the channel. This is Bob Jones, and I will see you in the next video.